Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om, Suswagatam. Many times, yoga practitioner, people ask the questions that, what is written over here under Vinyasa Yogashala? We say this is the definition of yoga from the very important and popular text Bhagavad Gita. It is the definition of yoga. It says, Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddha siddhyo samo bhutva samatvam yoga uchyate. It says, the Lord Krishna says to the Arjuna, Arjun, in all your actions, do not worry about the success and the failure. Abandon all the fruits, success and failure, and just perform the yoga. Samatvam yoga uchyate. The equanimity is yoga. Without the afraid of failure and without the joy of success. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Equanimity is yoga, balanced mind. So let's chant one more time. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Yoga is what? Equanimity. Hari Om Tat Sat.